You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. Bitcoin is now trading at 30.6k right now as at the recording of this video, and what am I paying attention to is market is going to break out and begin to move to the upside. Watch this video to the end, and on the 4-hour chart are we going to see the market come back down from here where the market is on ETH and on ETH 4-hour chart right at this point, and on Matic. All of these and more in this very analysis. Please watch this very video to the very end, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Also check our forex channel right here and also help subscribe. On the Bitcoin chart, we've seen the market move. The market has been in this very range for some time, and right now you see this very area is where I'm paying attention to right now, because the market is finding it very difficult to move out of this zone. So these markets have to move out of this zone first of all before we can take any trade, either buy or sell to the upside on this very one-day chart. So what I am expecting is a breakout on either side, and the percentage of the breakout happening on the resistance is very high because the market move consolidates in the breakout, market move to the upside. So there is a high chance of markets breaking out right here on the resistance and begin to move to the upside than market breaking out on the support. So what I am expecting is market breaks out on resistance and move into the $33,000. So after the breakout, market should move into $33,000. Then at this point we should see correction back to the downside. So what you need to see for you to take that trade, and when it happens, is a significant bearish candle that close above every other close within this very area. Once you see that, then market is going to move to the upside, and my target is $33,000 at this very point before market is going to retrace again. And one thing very important that you need to note is that this very move is not going to last long in the market. Pay attention, it's not going to last long. The reason why, the MACD is already going down, so MACD reduce in momentum, and anything that makes MACD to move up again is going to form a bearish divergence on the chart. That means if market begins to move to the upside, we'll see a bearish divergence on the chart, which will mean that the BS is going to come in aggressively to the downside. So what I am expecting is a breakout first of all. A breakout here will make the market to come into this $33,000, and a breakout out of this level of support at this point is going to send the market into $29,000 and $28,700 at this point before continuation back to the upside. So pay attention to these two breakouts that will happen on the chart and the various targets. And on the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT, if you look at this very point, you see the market move right down and market is going to the upside again. One thing very important here is the market creates a low here, we have a low here, and we have another low here. Market creates a new low at this very point. So what are you thinking? And also create a new close. This close is higher than this close here and this other close at this point. So two things very important for us to note here is that the market have created a new low, and market is not making any new high right now. So my own directional bias is that the market should come back right now, in as much as we did not cross this very level of resistance. So market should come back down. So what you should be paying attention to or looking out for is a short position on the 4-hour chart, to be very specific. So from here where the market is, from here to this point of resistance, the market should come back down and possibly create another new low. For us to take a buy position, we must see a new high, and then it have to correct and not make a new low to have a fail swing at this waypoint and then continuation. Because if we don't have a fail swing that prove that the bulls are in the market, then there is no need taking a buy position to the upside on the 4-hour chart, to be very specific. So this is what I am expecting right now. I expect the market to come back down between this very area to the downside, and if there is a breakout of this level of resistance, then that means the market is going to move to the upside. So a breakout here is going to further move the market to the upside, but I will not advise you take that breakout as a buy position. Wait for the market to break, and then retracement to this level will give you a nice opportunity to buy again at a better price. This is what you need to pay attention to, and this is what I am monitoring carefully on the 4-hour chart BTC. And on ETH, if you look at here, market has broken. I was talking about if market breaks out and above every other close within this very area and this point, market is going to move to the upside. But right now, we are seeing delay in that very movement, and there is a very important resistance right at this very point. I am expecting this market to come back down. Okay, market move to this area, market should come back down to this very area. So market should come back down on ETH, despite the fact that the market have capacity to move to this very level of $1,998. From this area, market should come back to the downside with a good retracement on the 1-day chart ETH. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, if you look at here, market come back down, did not create a new low. Very, very important, unlike what we see on the BTC chart. So on ETH, and this is a proof that ETH will be very, very sweet for you to long compared to BTC. So markets go down, did not create a new low, so we have the very low here, where market did not create a new low, markets then move to the upside, creating a new high, higher than the previous high at this very area. So what I am paying attention to right now is for market not to move to the upside anymore, because market has moved from this very area up to this level. So there is a need for the market to retrace before continuation, because if market begin to move to the upside, that move will not last long. Reason is because market has already moved all the way from here to the upside, and then there is need for correction. What I am expecting right now on the ETH chart is correction, because this is a pure price action. Market should correct from this very point, that is the higher at this very area, to where the market is right now, to the downside. And if you see the market move from here to the upside, that movement will not last long. It will be fine for you to wait for the market to move and then retrace back down. Then you enter at retest of this very level before the market is going to continue again to the upside, because market has already moved significantly. And on Matic, I have been updating you on Matic. Something very important on Matic right here is that the market is moving to the upside. And if you look at Matic chart, during this very move to the downside, market move and did not create a new low, because we have the lowest low at this very point. All the while markets have been coming to the downside. And one thing very important here is that the market is moving to the upside with this significant candle. So is it the right time to buy the market? Right now, I am not entering any Matic buy. Market should retrace as well. So from this very area on Matic, expect the market to retrace back down. So this is a very important point of resistance. So this very area of resistance is very important. Market from here come back to this area. So what do you think? The market moving to the upside into this very level will not hold for the market to retrace again. So if you are entering from 0.67, a market move into this area of 0.70, that is only 0.3. Okay, so if you enter with $1,000, then that means just $30. So I am expecting the market to retrace back down. So even though you see a movement into this area, market is going to retrace at this very point to the downside before continuation. So what you should focus on right now is retracement in the market as market approach this very level of important resistance. This is what you need to pay attention to on Matic 4-hour chart, ETH 4-hour chart, ETH 1-day chart, BTC 4-hour chart, and also BTC 1-day chart. What do you think about the market on ETH? Do you think this market is going to move into this very area, or we're going to see the market come back to the downside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis like this for profitable trading, please check the description of this video. See contact, reach out to me and get properly trained. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.